Another measure of this bird called the Patoo, which lives in the forests of Venezuela. Its feathers, bark, and shine create extraordinary resemblance to each other. Let us now pay special attention. You are looking at the tree's bark and the bird's feathers together on the screen. There is a perfect resemblance between the tree on the left and the bird on the right. The only things that give the bird away are its beak and eyes. However, the bird knows how to use the design it carries, and it begins acting as soon as danger approaches. It eyes head forward. It is now indistinguishable from a piece of flesh. Extraordinary piece of design. Even when it closes its eyes, the bird will see the snaps in its eyes. When danger reaches, it relaxes again. So, who is the bird to do this? Here we are again faced with the artistry of Allah, who creates everything flawlessly